Here is an overview about the Adobe purchasing options. Head over to adobe.com/creativecloud/plans.html. On this page is a student and teacher discount, which gives you all the applications in the Creative Cloud suite for $19.99 a month. This is for 12 months. There is no way around it. So you can get billed monthly, or you can pay for the whole year for $239.88. The additional option is hard to find, and it is over here if you click on the Individuals tab. Then you will see lots of other options. Anything that you see here, I'll click on Photoshop as an example, see plan and pricing details. Click on that, and then you will see an option to be billed monthly. Here it is $31.49 a month. And I will show you when you go to the next page and put in any email address, then continue to payment. Down here are the subscription and cancellation terms that you will want to review.